In my 25 years in the energy sector, asset inspections have transitioned from ground-based to aerial. And most recently, there's been a huge shift towards drone-based inspections. Cyberhawk pioneered drone-based inspections in the energy space, and we've flown more flights and executed more inspections than anyone else in the space. However, you might be surprised to hear that here at Cyberhawk, we don't think drones are the answer. At least, not the whole answer. Let me explain. Over the last decade, the inspection space has experienced a revolution. With the arrival of accessible and reliable drones, drone-based inspections have set a new bar, allowing for better, closer, and safer asset inspections than ever before. And as the sector exploded, Cyberhawk has been at the front of the wave, wowing our customers with data they had only dreamed of. And the hardware is just getting better and better. The quality of the data that can be achieved today from equipment like this is truly amazing. But the truth is, drones alone are not enough. What we're hearing from our customers is that operational pressures are greater than ever before. Aging critical infrastructure, increased environmental stewardship, shortages of skilled labor, and greater demands for reliability means it's increasingly challenging to keep assets operational, let alone profitable. These days, the wow moments from our customers don't just come from the extraordinary quality of the data that we deliver. More often, they come when they realize that we can capture the quality of data across tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of their assets. Our customers are truly wowed when they realize that data can be at the fingertips of everyone in their company through iHawk. The wows come from realizing that they can be confident and make quick decisions about their critical assets. Drones are an incredible tool. We're continually investing in the latest innovations to stay at the forefront of what's possible. But the true benefits lie in properly leveraging drones within an end-to-end inspection program. And that's why we don't think of ourselves at Cyberhawk as just a drone company. We think of ourselves as the ones who understand your business challenges, and we also understand how we can work with you to solve them. No matter where you are in your asset inspection program journey, we can partner with you to combine your expertise with your assets with our expertise in end-to-end drone inspection programs. Interested? Let's talk and figure out how we can take your asset management program to the next level.